Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Wear eye protection and disconnect the guitar from amps before you begin. Lay the instrument flat on a padded surface to prevent scratches. Gather tools: cloth, 1/4-inch flathead screwdriver, small hex key, plastic knob puller, and wooden dowels. Use a clean cotton cloth to cushion the knob and surrounding finish during removal. Keep a magnetic tray nearby for small screws and washers. Work in bright light to see set screws and shaft types clearly. First, inspect the knob for a visible set screw on the side or rear. Use a 2 mm or 1/16-inch hex key to loosen side set screws 1/4 turn. If the knob is friction fit, slide a plastic knob puller onto the shaft and pull straight upward slowly. For cheap knobs without a puller, place 2 wooden dowels under opposite edges and lever evenly. Always wrap the guitar finish with a cloth before using pliers to avoid marring. Stop if you feel excessive resistance and reassess the method. Once the knob is off, inspect the potentiometer and potentiometer nut for corrosion or play. Use a 7 mm wrench to remove the pot nut and note washer orientation for correct reassembly. Label each wire with tape to preserve wiring order before detaching soldered or push-on connectors. Clean contacts with a small amount of electronics cleaner if needed and let them dry completely. Reinstall the pot by aligning the shaft, replacing the washer, and tightening the nut snugly without over-torquing. Finally, push the knob straight down onto the shaft until it seats securely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.